Hey, take a seat. Yo!
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video, when people mess with the wrong cops, shows how fast bad decisions turn into instant karma. From tense encounters to shocking arrests, these moments prove that 1 second can change everything.
Put the bottle down. Yeah, put it down. Put the bottle down.
From what seemed like a simple, disorderly conduct call, the situation quickly spiraled out of control as the suspect repeatedly resisted the police. And when you choose to confront the law directly, the price you pay is always higher than you expect.
Hey, put the bottle down. Put the bottle down. I'll tase you. Put the bottle down. I will. Put the bottle down. Put it down. Put the bottle down.
Hey, stop! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Hey, hold on. Hey, action.
You gonna put it down or no? Be back, get ready again. Hey! Turn around, man.
I forget your name. Do you remember me? I gave you a ride to your house. David, right?
While
David,
police were
is that your name?
responding to a reported fight, they quickly identified the suspect, David, near the scene. The situation immediately escalated when the suspect attacked an officer. Resisting the police only makes your trouble worse.
Hey, chill out, dude. Chill out. So, David.
I had him 1061 43.
Yeah, for real. Let's go. This is getting super.
In Albuquerque, New Mexico, officers spotted a group of people gathering in a parking lot. What started as a routine check quickly turned chaotic when Angelica suddenly lost her temper and began shouting insults. Despite her friends' attempts to stop her, she broke free and attacked the officers. A moment of impulsive behavior can lead to serious legal consequences.
Get the fuck up out of here! You're not gonna go and take me to jail for bitch. What are you gonna arrest me for? Yeah, bitch, get the fuck away from my car. You dumb white. You're out of here. Bitch! Don't touch me! 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 It's to me all night! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Orlando! Get back! Get off of me! Get off of me!
I'm not even touching you.
Get on the ground now.
Me?
I was just taking care of you, bro. How are you now?
Right now, I'm not going to stand you to the ground.
I have a picture.
All right. Now you're getting to the
Please, you guys. Like, I'm not trying to get in trouble. You guys, please, I have babies to go home to. I've been good to you, but like, I literally reported.
Get in.
Oklahoma City police were involved in a dramatic high-speed chase. The suspect vehicle recklessly sped through multiple streets at dangerous speeds, threatening public safety. But no matter how far you run, the law will always find a way to stop you. At a bar in Asbury Park, a female suspect was spotted taking photos of a drunk man vomiting on a street corner. When officers asked her to delete the photos, she became agitated, denied it, and angrily walked away. Just when it seemed like the situation was over, she suddenly returned and kicked a bystander in the side. This behavior forced police to place her under arrest. What seemed like a minor action led to unexpectedly serious consequences.
Stop resisting now! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Huh? Stop! You want to kick him? We're gonna have 141 Johnny Mets.
Guys, please. This is so scary.
Did anybody else see that? I don't know. I didn't look myself, but I still had peripheral vision to show me where he was going.
Police responded to reports of an aggressive, intoxicated man after he was denied entry to a bar. When officers arrived, they witnessed additional inappropriate behavior from him. They were forced to arrest him. However, the situation did not end there. Despite being in custody, he continued to attack the officers.
If you want to pull your car, do you want to put them on that side or on the other side? Try to hit me? Wrong with you, huh? Try to hit me? Get up. Get up. You have to help me. Stand up. Stand up. Get out of the car. Put your hands on your back.
Police approached a suspect who had assaulted an employee. When asked to step out of the vehicle, she resisted and kicked an officer, causing the situation to descend into chaos. Resisting the police only brings consequences faster.
Stop. No. Now
She's got a felony.
I don't. No. You didn't have a reason to pull up on me in the first place.
We do. Get in the car.
I'm not getting in the goddamn car.
We do. Now get in the car. Oh, just take her out, lay her down on the ground. There. Put her feet straight up on it. Cross her ankles. Slip this over her feet.
Central with a big 51 days in for sure.
Swing your legs over.
God damn! But what? Because I wouldn't give you my identification?
Tim, grab
Are
the
you
hobble.
serious?
Grab the hobble.
Out the door.
Put it down on the ground.
Ah!
Put her feet in. Watch out.
Can you roll this back window down for me? Hello.
It all began with a minor seatbelt violation, but the situation quickly escalated. She did not have proper documentation, began arguing. When asked to step out of the vehicle, she refused to cooperate, making things even more tense. Resisting the law is never a good
Do you
choice.
have an actual driver's license? Okay, that's not a thing. Do you have a registration of insurance? Any particular reason he wasn't seatbelted? He was hanging out the window, yeah, but when we were behind him, he didn't have his seatbelt. Okay, where did you obtain that tag?
From Florence State National guy in Alabama.
Okay. I have read a lot about the Florence State National.
I don't know. I feel like they give people a bad rap because I've been in situations before where I try to explain to them that there's public services and like.
Can you step out of the profile? Step out the car. Step out the car.
What should have been a simple situation that could have ended peacefully turned into chaos when the family chose to aggressively argue with police, even though the driver was clearly under the influence of alcohol. Things escalated when they lost control and physically attacked the officers at the scene. Resisting and covering up wrongdoing only makes things worse.
You touched me! Stop! Stop!
Cut it out. Let go of my... Now. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down, man. Comply. Stop resisting. All right. Calm down. Okay, calm down. Okay, calm down. Sit down.
In Salt Lake City, police received a call reporting a man being assaulted in the street. When officers arrived, they approached Jose Hernandez, but he refused to cooperate. The danger increased when he picked up rocks and stuffed them into his clothing, ignoring police commands. Officers were forced to use force after he ran and began throwing rocks at them.
How are you all bloody? What happened? What happened to your hand? Put those back. They're not yours. Put them back. Put them back. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, boss. Hey, you back there. Clear out. Put the rock down. Put it down now. 21st. 5-3 shots fired.
Walk this way.
Resisting the police only leads to a worse outcome for yourself.
Put your hands on the hood. Put your hands on the hood. Separate your feet. Hey, keep your hands in your pocket. Put them on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again.
Thou Saida suddenly threw a punch at a police officer's face, making the situation far more serious. Officers were forced to use force to arrest him.
Get on your back! Get on your back! You're gonna get tased! Get on your back!
She's gonna get hit by a car.
The protester who caused chaos in the street was immediately subdued. She will likely regret her actions. When people miss with the wrong cops proves that every choice has consequences. What moment shocked you the most? Do you think these outcomes were deserved? Share your thoughts before the video ends.